What's the meaning of chartreuse? Chartreuse. Chartreuse.
Chartreuse. Chartreuse. Chartreuse is a vivid yellow-green color that sits between green and yellow in the color spectrum. It gets its name from a French liqueur called chartreuse, which has a similar color. The color chartreuse has become popular in fashion design and home decor due to its unique and eye-catching hue. It is often associated with nature and springtime, as it resembles the color of new growth and foliage. Despite being a bold color, chartreuse can be versatile and paired with neutral colors to create a chic look.